Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube guide, and here I'll detail how to scan YouTube QR code on phone. So if you want to sign in with your Google account, then you need to scan a QR code, or you want to use your email and password, then you need to use your remote. But basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan YouTube QR code on your smartphone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to scan YouTube QR code on your smart TV is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your smart TV. And once you open the YouTube application, you should see sign in with your Google account. With your own account, you can find all videos and channels that you love and no one else. So here you need to go to scan or type a code. Then the moment you see scan or type a code, then you just need to go ahead and grab your phone. Now, once you grab your phone, then go ahead and open your phone camera. And once you open your phone camera, hang on while your phone scan the QR code on your smart TV screen. Then you should see YouTube. As this is going to scan this automatically, then go ahead and click on the pointed arrow at the top, or click on this code you want to scan. If your phone does not capture it straight away, just go ahead and click on the code once, just like this. Then once you hit the code, then click on the pointed arrow on YouTube. Then here you have a URL you want to open to activate the YouTube app on your smart TV by scanning the QR code, or by going to yt.b/activate. So just go ahead and do that, and then click on open link. Then once you selected open link, hang on while the link opens on your smartphone browser automatically, and here you'll be prompted to connect the device from your Google account. So go ahead and click on connect. Now once you hit connect, just hang on, then you should select the Google account you want to sign in your TV on. Then select that. Once you select it, you'll be prompted to type in the password. If you have not typed in the password, then scroll up and tap allow. Then once you hit allow, hang on, you should see success, device connected. After a couple of seconds, your TV will refresh itself automatically, and you'll be prompted to select who is watching. So if you have multiple profiles added to your YouTube account, then go ahead and select who is watching. Then hang on. Then you should see welcome to YouTube, and then you're good to go. You can now start watching YouTube on your smart TV, irrespective of the smart TV you have, provided you follow the step I just shared in this video. So this is basically how to scan YouTube QR code on smart TV. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.